Okay, here we are bench testing the Mecer 5 kilowatt 48 volt hybrid inverter. Connections are still open at the moment, but you can see it's called a hybrid. It's got input for solar panels, or PV panels as they call it. That's the grid supply feeding into the top, and at the bottom that's the power going out, which I've just connected to a little box there at the moment. Now basically I've got it tethered with a USB cable, so we could set up all the parameters. Let's just have a look here at the moment. You can see it's in line mode. In other words, it's feeding off Eskom and it's feeding directly through, so if you had something connected dedicated, the power would be being supplied, and it's also charging the batteries at the same time. And at the moment there aren't any solar panels connected, so there's nothing coming in there giving us all the voltages and whatever. I've also set up all the configurations already, correct voltages and that. But I think what we need to do is just give this thing a little try. So at the moment Eskom is on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to emulate a power failure by turning the power off. You can hear the thing click and switch over. If we come to the little monitor, you'll see the Eskom is flashing, no Eskom power, and it's starting to drain the batteries. If you look there, so it's drawing power off the batteries and it's basically feeding this little plug here. And what I've done is I've connected a 3 kilowatt kettle, so I'm going to turn it on, and you can hear the little inverter. The fan starts speeding up to keep it cool, and the kettle is boiling. You can actually see that it is drawing 2.6 kilowatt, so it's quite capable and wouldn't normally boil or use a 3 kilowatt appliance. I'm just going to turn it off. This is just to show you guys. Okay, the fans immediately start slowing down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the power back on again. Click, there it clicks over, and again, if we have a look here, it is now again feeding, still showing the batteries. It takes a few minutes, a few seconds. Should switch over any minute. There we go. There you can see the power is flowing again, coming from Eskom. Take a while, and there the battery charger starts to work as well. I've done numerous tests with different instruments, and I've just coupled it up to 4 batteries at the moment. There's the rest of the batteries. These are also for other clients. And this is the battery cabinet busy being assembled. And all the labels are printed on our large format printer here. Those are the labels that are going onto the battery box. And these labels are the labels that are going onto the DB. And that's about it. So yeah, this one's looking good. We'll be starting installation on Monday.